been Mother Nature for hundreds of years.
Your cousin Lexi is enlightening me on the plight of the Earth.
They think Doomsday is coming, and they blame you.
There is a gigantic hurricane in Mexico right now. Mother Nature is relentless.
Bushfires rage behind me in New South Wales after Mother Nature's latest disaster.
You're fired!
Let me go fix it.
Check out this new family film called Mother Nature and the Doomsday Prepper. This one is locally grown, all shot here in and around Tampa Bay and Pinellas County. It's Earth Day themed with a lighthearted feel. And I'm so happy to be joined by Christian Cashmere, director and producer of the film, and writer Lori Krigo. Join us now. Great to see you both.
You too, Roxanne. Hey.
And Christian
so glad
and I,
to be here.
yeah, we go way back. So good to see you.
Yes.
Love your work. I just love what we saw on the screen right now. That was the trailer.
Thank you. It was such a blast to make it here in Tampa Bay and Pinellas. We love it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna hear all those details. Give us a little, we got an idea from watching the trailer, but what's the film about?
Yeah, so after a string of global disasters, Mother Nature has one last shot to save the world, and she has to convince a paranoid doomsday prepper. This is Lori's idea. She's the writer, and she has to convince this doomsday prepper that there's still hope for the world. So.
Zeus gives her one last chance.
Yes.
One last chance. Lori, I've got to ask you, I mean, it looks cute, and like I said, it has that lighthearted feel to it. So it's kind of a switch, because sometimes when we talk about these topics, it's like, it is scary, but you put a twist on it.
And so often we see documentaries or things that are so heavy, and this story shows how some people are so hopeless and some people have so much hope. And it talks about how if we don't come together, things are going to really tank. But it is done in a lighthearted, fun way, and the characters are all pretty quirky. And the world that Christian was able to make in Lightwave Studios is so beautiful and fun that I think people will be entertained and then go, oh, there was a message about the environment there.
Yes. Oh, that is so cool. So, Christian, let's talk about everything that you did here that you guys worked on to make this a local film. And again, we have so much talent here in the Tampa Bay area.
Absolutely.
So I love you're grabbing the locations and the people.
Yes. We've shot the entire movie 100% in Tampa Bay and Pinellas County. Everything was filmed here in our studio, and also some great locations. We filmed in Straub Park. We filmed at the Pinellas Centers and a lot of different places. But yeah, all the crew, 95% of the crew, all above the line, producer, director, camera people, gaffers, were all here from Tampa Bay and Pinellas.
Our producer, Cameron Brumbelow, has done a lot of producing in this area, and knew between he and Christian, they know everybody in town. When I was looking for where to build this fantasy world, I had no idea what it took. And I stumbled across Christian's LED wall and called him one morning, and he picked up. And 2 months later, we were looking at Olympus and looking at fantasy boats and looking at magic fog. And they did that all in the studio here, which it's quite wonderful that studio is here.
We just have about a minute left, but quickly tell us how you did that. This is the same sort of technology used in Star Wars.
Yeah, so it's an LED wall. It's it's slightly different, but we have a similar technology to what they have in Star Wars in our studio right here. We've had everybody from Mission Impossible in our studio to different Oscar-winning films. And the exciting thing is that the trailer for the movie is releasing today on Earth Day, so you can check it out. And see all these great worlds we were able to build. And
so cool.
It's amazing what you can do.
Yes, and we're going to see that film this summer. It'll be out in July. And Lori, so cool that you brought this to us, that you wrote this story, and that you've done it all here. And just a little plug for Lightwave, because I thought this was so cool off air. I was like, Christian, have you ever done any book trailers? And you said, yes, I did one for Stephen King. So yes.
We've had some cool projects. We've been lucky, and look forward to doing more here in Tampa Bay. And
love what you do. Love what you do. Thank you both so much. And of course, the information on the screen. There you go. You want to check out more about the film, you can check it out on IG.
Yeah.